Hey YouTube, what up? Is it Mustang05 from back, and I made something. It's a Zippo holder. You're probably thinking, oh, I didn't know you like Zippos. For how long? Well, look at my name. Zippo Mustang 05. Zippo Mustang 05. I've liked Zippos for over 2 years now, since a couple months before the beginning of my channel. Sorry if you're offended by the way I'm treating you. Just kind of obvious. So anyway, back in 2011 I got a leather Zippo case. Really nice, I loved it. And I've lost it. So I decided I'll take my crafting skills with a Zippo and some duct tape and cardboard, and I'd make a Zippo holder. It's universal, so if you like wearing it on your right side, it'll go on your right side, or yeah, your right side. If not, you can have it on your left side or whatever. So yeah, I made it custom to my belt. I would like a thicker belt, and so you would just slide on the case. Oh, wrong. Slide on the case. Pretend this is where you'd put it on, and then you'd put on your Zippo. And once you have it tightened around, it won't fall off. So let me put on this belt with the Zippo case and I'll show you. Okay, so I have the belt on with the lighter, and look, the case it moves, but I'm pulling really hard right now. Just slides out, use it for whatever, then put it back in. You can push it all the way through. Just sometimes gets stuck, but that I just go. Like that. So it's probably easiest just to not push it all the way through, but I kind of like to keep it carried in the middle, like push the Zippo halfway through. Like, let me take the case off. Like, I like to have it like right here because it's like secure right in the middle, and you can just poke it through. So thanks YouTube. If anyone wants one, let me know and I'll make you one. Pretty cheap too, only like $1.50. So hey, if you want one, feel free to PM me. I'll make you one. Well, bye.